Hi boys and girls, I hope you're all safe and well. Today I have a fun maths challenge for you. You're going to need a pen and pencil and some paper for today's activities. If you've got squared paper that would be even better, but don't worry if not. Last week Colonel Tom Moore turned 100 years old. I'm sure you know who he is by now. He's raised a staggering £32 million for the NHS, and that figure continues to go up by doing 100 laps of his garden at the age of 99. Last week he celebrated his birthday. Let's see how he got on.
I just see them coming over the tree line now. So Tom, if you just look straight ahead there.
Oh yes, you see them.
They're both utterly beautiful to fly, and I'll let everybody listen out to the lovely sound of the Hurricane and Spitfire.
You are the UK's official #1.
I think this is amazing that this should happen to me.
And
there he goes. Give him a big round of applause. Good luck for inches to go. And there he is. Congratulations.
He's a one-man fundraising machine, and God knows what the final total will be, but good on him, I hope he keeps going.
That I think is absolutely amazing that my super prince can say something like that.
So even though Tom has turned 100, and he seemed to have an absolutely fantastic time with over 140,000 birthday cards. Can you imagine getting 140,000 birthday cards? Where to store them would be the problem. He cannot celebrate his birthday yet with a party. So we're going to use our mathematical strategies today to cost a fantastic party for Colonel Tom Moore. Here are the list of items for Tom's party. There are 3 different levels of challenge attached as PDF files alongside the video. This challenge on the screen is 3 chilies, so it's the most challenging. The 1 chili is quite mild, and the 2 chilies are medium. Have a look and decide which one you want to start with. As you can see, we have a list of essentials. These are items that must be bought for the party, and you need to calculate how much these essential items are going to cost in total. To start, I would suggest you look at the items that have multiple quantities. For example, you've got 6 soft drinks. 1 soft drink is 86p, and you have to calculate how many 6 will cost. So you need to do 86p times 6. Now you could use the grid method for multiplication, you could use the column method or partitioning. Choose a strategy that you feel confident with and you think will work best for this task. Once you've calculated the answer for 6 soft drinks, you may want to look at how much 6 party poppers would be, how much should 4 sandwiches be, and how much for 3 banners. You've then calculated the total cost of these items on your essential list before you start adding the items together. This will make it easier for you as you work through the task. It may be a good idea to add 2 or 3 items at a time. You could record your answer then for those 2 items and highlight it. For example, you could start by adding the banners and the sandwiches, highlight your answer. Then move on to the coffee and the balloons, highlight your answer. And finish with the soft drinks, the party poppers and the birthday cake, highlight your answer there. And then add the total of your highlighted answers to get the total cost for Tom's party. But it is up to you. Please remember to check your answers carefully. And again, choose a strategy for addition that suits you. It could be partitioning, it could be column. Once you've added all the items and found the total cost, the next question is whether or not you can afford the party. Now there is one slight catch. You're on a budget. Use the total cost to find out if you can afford to hold the party. Find out if you have any change. Maybe use frog hopping or column subtraction to find the difference between your total cost and the amount on the cheque. If you do have change, then as an additional challenge, you could look online to see what else you could buy with the money that you have left. So to be successful with this task, you need to use your adding and multiplication strategies to find the total cost of your items. Use the strategies that you are most comfortable with. Group the items to make adding the total easier. This will reduce the chance of making any errors. Check your answers carefully. If you can, check your answers using the inverse operation. And use subtraction strategies to find out if you can afford the party with your budget. So as a quick reflection for this task, the first thing you need to do is calculate the total cost of all the essential items for Tom's party. What is the total cost? Then look at your cheque and see how much money is on your cheque for the party. Are you within your budget? If you are, you could go online and look for other things to put into your party. If you're not, how much are you over by? Is there anything that you could take off the list? Use your success criteria at all times to support you. So good luck to you all. Don't forget to share your work on Twitter using the hashtag Swansea Virtual School. And I think we all need to say something, and that's happy 100th birthday, Colonel Tom Moore.